Prince Charles, the 71-year-old heir to the British throne, has tested positive for coronavirus but is in good health and is now self-isolating in Scotland with mild symptoms. Charles, eldest son of Queen Elizabeth, is displaying what Clarence House said were mild symptoms but remains in good health and has been working from his Birkhall residence in Scotland. His wife, Camilla, 72, tested negative. The Prince of Wales has tested positive for coronavirus, Clarence House said. He has been displaying mild symptoms but otherwise remains in good health and has been working from home throughout the last few days as usual. The Duchess of Cornwall has also been tested but does not have the virus, Clarence House said. Queen Elizabeth, who is currently at Windsor Castle, is in good health, Buckingham Palace said. A royal source said the Prince of Wales, who was tested on Monday and got the results on Tuesday, was advised the condition was unlikely to escalate into a more serious case. Charles has spoken to both Queen Elizabeth and to his sons, Prince William and Harry. Prime Minister Boris Johnson wished the Prince a speedy recovery and was due to hold his weekly audience with the Queen by telephone, Johnson's spokesman said. The United States wished Prince Charles a speedy recovery, a senior Trump administration official said. Charles last saw the 93-year-old monarch on the morning of March 12 following an investiture, before the earliest time he is likely to have been infectious. Her Majesty the Queen remains in good health, Buckingham Palace said. The Queen last saw the Prince of Wales briefly after the investiture on the morning of the 12th of March and is following all the appropriate advice with regard to her welfare. A royal source said that the earliest Charles would have been infectious was March 13. Charles and Camilla went to Highgrove House, his residence in West England, on March 13 and then travelled to their Birkhall residence on the Balmoral estate in Scotland on Sunday. Scotland's chief medical officer, Dr. Catherine Calderwood, said both Charles and Camilla had been tested for clinical reasons and that both were in good health. Queen Elizabeth left London for Windsor Castle on March 19. She is with her 98-year-old husband, Philip. When asked if the Queen or Philip had been tested for coronavirus, Buckingham Palace declined to comment. It is not possible to ascertain from whom the prince caught the virus owing to the high number of engagements he carried out in his public role during recent weeks, Clarence House said. Charles met Prince Albert of Monaco, who later tested positive, at a charity event in London on March 10.